I'm Heidi.
I'm Calvin.
Hi, we want to expand our kitchen. We were having a L-shaped peninsula kitchen. I want to have a big island like this. So what we do is we went to VKB, and Sean was the one who designed our kitchen. He explained to us that he preferred that if we can knock down the wall to expand a couple feet on the depth. So we did, and it came out with perfectly. We have the contractor, Sahu. He did an excellent job, and also he's very well handcraft. And look at the kitchen; it looks like outstanding, gorgeous, high-end, modern, and beautiful.
Yeah, everybody from the team from the VKB is very good. They don't cut corner, they are very detailed on everything. And the price is very reasonable. We did compare prices with a few other companies and come up with VKB give us the best price.
They have an excellent staff. They have a professional designer, excellent contractor, and Ali is a wonderful operation manager. I really recommend it. If you prefer to renovate your kitchen, you should go to VKB.